Hello and welcome to another Epsilon product release install tutorial, this time for the E210 Corolla hatch, the non-GR hatch. So I'm going to go over what you need, show you the install, and that's pretty much it. So the kit comes with a front lip, a pair of side skirts, and also a pair of rear spats. As far as what tools you need, fairly straightforward. A screwdriver and a drill. And you'll also get a sticker and a badge. Other than that, you just need some IPA or some cleaning agent to clean the car, a microfiber, and a floor jack. Well, I'm going to jack the front up all the way up so that we can do the front lip, yeah. Go ahead and test fit it. Cool. Before I install anything, I'm going to clean it. Screws. Now slowly on the edge, and then all the way up, right? So you see how well that fits? Okay, now hold it here. I'm gonna put screws in. Self-tappers. Volume screws right there. The VC right here. I'm gonna put a self-tapper right in this corner. The middle. I'm going to move to the other side. So for this, take a small drill bit. So now we're good. I'm going to peel all this off. Push up, like that. I'm gonna drop the car and jack up the other side. I'm in. You can just leave it out in the sun a little bit and it'll go back. Let's peel these edges off, keep this on. Now comes the fun part. Double-sided tape. And then if you have any issues holding certain sections in place, you put self-tappers on them. Wait. Oh, we did this. Wait, what? Make it work with their diffuser. This is for cars that have diffusers. So if you have a diffuser and you need to trim your rear spats to fit the diffuser. So peel the tape. that. And then underneath the car, one push clip right here. There, and that's on.